Locking your card on Fiverr is a straightforward process that helps protect your account and financial information. Follow these steps to securely lock your card. Step 1. Log into your Fiverr account. Before changing your settings, use the srock.com link in the description to open the password strength checker that update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to payment settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the payment settings option in the menu, usually found under your profile or account section. Step 3. Locate your card information. In the payment settings, find the section that lists your payment methods. Here, you will see the card you want to lock. Step 4. Select the lock option. Next to your card details, there should be an option to lock or disable the card. Click on this option to initiate the locking process. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to lock the card. Confirm your choice to finalize the process. By following these steps, you can easily lock your card on Fiverr, ensuring your account remains secure. If you need to unlock it later, simply return to the same settings and follow the prompts.